Welcome to Marble, a creative tool that turns text and images into immersive 3D worlds. To build your own world, start on the Create page for a more personalized workspace. On this page, you'll see the Settings and Input panel along with image presets. Presets let you explore suggested inputs, or you can click and roll for marbles to generate a random preset. You can also start by picking one of the image presets below to build your world. For best results, upload a single image, multiple images, a video, or a panorama. For this example, upload a single image. Now click Create to generate. Once the scene is finished generating, click View to enter the world inside your world. Select the keyboard icon to see navigation controls and customize mouse or trackpad movement. You can move around using the WASD keys. At the bottom of the scene, you'll find download options if you have a paid subscription. This includes the ability to take a screenshot, download the prompt image or panorama. You can download the scene if it's public. Link share allows you to send your scene to others or share it on social media. Click the help icon on the left to check out more resources. Hopefully you have enjoyed how Marble works, so start creating today.